What miracle did you want me to perform? If you have any problems, you bring her back to me. New brakes installed. If that car was a woman, I'd guess her.
This is Porcupine Pete. Honk if you're horny.
Now that's a custom job.
Lester better play it right with that idol.
Who are you, Mom? I want to get laid.
Do you long for a different time when we were free to raise our children to actually respect us?
Martine, hey, look.
What have you done? What have you done? Where is she?
She's safe. Look, I'm gonna find a way to make this right with you.
That will take some doing.
Kids are rotten little shits. When I served our country, I learned a lot about changing behavior and winning you over. Offer candy, and a butt of the gun to the face. By my book, hitting kids works wonders today. Just because you play a guitar, don't mean you gotta be a sequin-wearing sack.
What's your 1020, Sparkles?
Someone, he just stole my bag. Help me.
Hey, where you think you're going?
Y'all fight any demons out there? They're a bitch.
Gotcha!
Hello.
Here you go.
Oh, you are such a sweetheart. I'm not even from here. Thanks so much.
Fucking selection.
much of that corn whiskey, it'll turn you whiter than your gown is. You'll have to pull it off.
Oh, I wish that we could stop this DIVORC.
Have you ever huffed airplane glue? Seemed like it'd take you higher and high test. That would be a contest between them two. One's got wings and one don't. And the one don't have wings stay high all the time. And the one's got wing crashes. Because he run out of gas. That shit'll fry your brain. When the bag dries on your face, you pass out. It'll man you're a goner. But the high test keep you walking taller.
All right, come on. Let's get you up. Okay, let's get you to the hospital.
No! No hospitals! Can you take me to Sandy Shores? I got people there who can help me out. Cholo Springs Avenue. Look, thanks for this. Another 20 seconds, I'd have had the cops all over me.
What the hell happened back there?
Don't worry about it, okay? It's not worth it.
Hey, I'm helping a bleeding girl who won't go to the cops or a hospital flee the scene of a dead body. I'd say I deserve some information here.
Just a job that went wrong. Trust me. Don't want to know.
Trust me, I do. Call it competitive intelligence. What kind of job are we talking? Bank? Jewelry?
So you're in the game?
I didn't say that.
Look, we hit a pawn shop, okay? But it was a sting. Cops were waiting for us. It's supposed to be an easy job, low risk, 20K each. I was the driver.
But not a very good one.
Hey, I got us through 3 roadblocks. We had half of San Andreas law enforcement on our ass. We'd have been home free if that son of a bitch hadn't pulled a blade on me at 100 miles per hour. Spun us off the road. You cross me, I put you down. No second chances.
Sounds like you need to find a better crew.
Considering I got 2 in custody and the other one dead on the side of Sonora Freeway, I need any crew, period. Why? You know someone?
Again, I didn't say that.
They got nothing to connect me. No real names, no addresses. Left all the money. Way too hot to wash. I'll get myself patched up, lie low at the safe house for a day or 2, then see what I can put together. Not like this. Come on, not like this.
Just hold on. You'll be okay.
Don't let her memory torture me.
don't black out. You got this.
You're the one who said no hospital.
Bathing my memory mind in the wetness of its soul. Feeling the amber.
This is it. Listen, I ain't sure what you're into, but you need a driver anytime? You let me know.
Leaving hard, you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. No letter, memory, torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. I'm drowning in a whiskey river, bathing my hemorrhaged mind in the wetness of its soul. Feeling the amber current flowing from my mind, and leaving the heart you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Whiskey River, take
Travel around the country in style in a recreational vehicle from Larry's Used RV Sales. Spend your golden years living on a bus with all the luxuries of home. A tiny stove, a minuscule toilet, and a shower that's like a dog pissing on you. Imagine spending weeks on end living in a tin can, surrounded by 400 gallons of your own piss and shit in a holding tank. It's a true paradise and far superior to any hotel or rental home. Many of our RVs get up to 6 or 7 miles a gallon downhill. Enjoy the nomadic lifestyle and visit RV campgrounds around this great country where your new neighbors in the vehicle next to you are either fun-loving meth heads or exciting and mysterious serial killers. Stop by Larry's Used RV Sales today.
Never conform. Rebel Radio.
Agent Steve Haynes. Man.
You know, if all philosophy had a beat, college would be a lot more interesting. worth my love is worth a fight. I'm free by me.
Looking into your eyes, I know I'm right. Is anything worth my love is worth the fight. You only get one chance, and nothing ties your hair. You're what I want, listen to me. Nothing I want's out of my reach. Heaven helps the man who fights his fear. Love's the only thing that keeps me here. You're the reason that I'm hanging on. My heart's staying where my heart running away will never make you free. Never inside is any guarantee. I wanna hold you now. I won't hold down. Shaking the past, making my breaks, taking control. That's what it takes. I pray it helps the man who fights his fear. Love's the only thing that keeps me here. The reason that I'm hanging on.
You should read the book. I'd lend you my copy, but I took all the pages out to check the bugs, and when I tried to put them back in order, the wind took some.
Ew! It's you again! Cover your ears! And get out of the way!
It looked so good there in the can, just had to try your heart. Fell down a bit, went down my throat, started turning white. I tried to smile with all my might, I was so bad to spit. Then I did give away an upset stomach hit. Nasty, nasty stuff, that horrible tasting stuff. I tried once a bunch, but I lost my mind. I did my best, but I just couldn't do it. And all of what's up, I drew it. That nasty, nasty stuff. Now I have a little friend who likes to sniff his snuff. He also loves to dip it. He really like that stuff. He grinned just like a possum, put his tongue right down his chin. That's when I have to turn my head and walk away. Nasty, nasty stuff, that horrible tasting stuff. I tried once a bunch, but I lost my love. I did my best to do it, but I just couldn't do it. And all at once up I drew it, that nasty, nasty stuff. I did my best to do it, but I just couldn't do it. And all
I smell something burning, but I'll be right back.
nasty stuff.
Remember when someone at the bank knew your name? When they were part of the community? We're Blaine County Savings Bank. We're not like big city banks. First off, we don't lend money to foreigners. We're about a simpler time. If we get into trouble, we're sure folks will rally around us, just like in the movies. If you need a loan to buy a new tractor, combine, meth lab, or want to borrow money against future crop yields or your land, come in and ask for Janice. Blaine County Savings Bank, your hometown bank.
For those who think country's gone soft, Rebel Radio. Well, you...
Hi.
Counselors spend the day with you to offer the guidance and reassurance to keep you on the right track.
You're gonna eat that? You fucking pig! You disgust me!
With their firm but encouraging guidance, the true thinner you will soon emerge. Paranoid, neurotic, and the proud owner of a new food disorder.
You have to associate food with pain and a beating. Food is your enemy. Defeat it!
You have no self-control. Thanks to us, all you need is self-loathing. Vinewood Health. Beauty inside and out for your money back.
You fat whore!
Contact Vinewood Health today.
I avoid this station!
Channel X.
Damn, you fine, baby. Hello, who this?
It's Amanda. Amanda DeSanta. We met at my house.
Oh, yeah. Shit, where you at?
Look, I know that you and my husband and Trevor Phillips are... I don't know what the fuck you're up to, but I can make a pretty good guess. There's some weird things going on. Is he okay?
I don't think okay is the right word. But he's alive. You should call him. He'll appreciate that.
No, I don't want to speak to him. I just wanted to know he wasn't dead somewhere. Thanks. Don't tell him I called.
All right. But look, he ain't doing too good without his family.
I was at a party last night and a damn fight nearly broke out with some fools. They was arguing about whose phone was better, man, the iFruit phone or the drone. Now guess what, man? You're all a bunch of tools anyway. You carry these little ass computers and all of a sudden you think you're some kind of dope player. Now I'll tell you what's dope. Carry one of those, remember those big ass, like those brick cell phones that we had back in the days, like from the 80s? Now that right there, that was some dope shiitake right there. let's keep the sound of the streets alive.
It always gotta be progress. If it ain't about that money, then it ain't a part of my process. Meeting with the boss. It takes some sacrifices to get in this position. When my well was dry, I was still making my wishes. I was riding around, I was risking it, but if I didn't do it, I wouldn't get the shit. Up late nights, I'm out too. It's a few things that I value: money, trust.